Guess who's really enjoying her straight hair? I post videos every Wednesday and I forgot. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. If you're new, my name is Karla. I post videos every Wednesday and every Saturday, and I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join the Nugget family. No pressure though. If you don't want to, it's completely fine, but the subscribe button is there in case you want to click it. Just say. I thought it would be fun to share with you guys some of the things that were kindly sent to me over the past couple of weeks from different brands and different companies. Usually when I get sent things, I post them on my Instagram stories just so you guys can also see what I've been receiving in case you want to get it for yourself as well. But I also got a couple of requests to sort of do like a collective haul. So I decided to collect all of the PR gifts that were so kindly and generously sent to me and sit down here and share them with you guys. Now, some of the things I've already tried, so I can give you like a mini review, but the other things I have yet to try. So again, just follow me on Instagram if you want to see my thoughts or like a mini review of the different products that I'm going to be testing out. And that's about it. Let's get on with the video. So first up, I've already thrown the boxes because ever since I received these, I've basically been using them all the time. I work from home most days, but that doesn't mean that I don't like to slap on a little bit of lipstick just to feel cute. So the first thing I have here are the new Happy Skin Coffee Collection Lip Mallow lipsticks. They were sent to me in this super cute brown pouch, which I think is so lovely. Happy Skin sent me two shades. The first one is Cinnamon, which I used in my Zara haul video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it up here. And then the other shade is Fresh Brew. If you're a coffee lover, Happy Skin's newest collection is like the perfect collection because not only are the shades named after flavors of coffee and types of coffee, if you're a fan of nudes and neutrals and those My Lips But Better shades, then the coffee collection is the collection for you. I've used both of these shades already and they're absolutely beautiful. Cinnamon looks very similar to Honeymoon Glow, which I'm wearing right now. So it's more of like a pinky mauvey natural lip color that I think is perfect for every day and would suit a bunch of different skin tones. And Fresh Brew is more of like a brownie nude. So it's not super dark and 90s style. It is quite light, but I find that even with my pale skin, it doesn't wash me out. It actually has a very nice warm nude color, which again is very flattering. They also smell of coffee, which I think is so fantastic. I am obsessed with coffee. I am caffeine dependent. So to have a lipstick that is named after coffee, looks like coffee, and smells like coffee, girl, absolutely sold. You can shop these on the Happy Skin website or on their official store on Lazada. I'll be sure to link it for you guys below. And just like the other lip mallow colors, these also have SPF 15. Find yourself products that already have SPF in them just to give you that added protection. Even if you're at home, the UV rays enter your house and UV rays cause premature skin aging, and we don't want that. Sticking with makeup, I've got a couple of translucent setting powders from Mentos. Now I know what you're thinking. Mentos, the candy, they make makeup? Kind of. So Mentos kindly sent me their latest collaboration with Innisfree, the Korean beauty brand, to create a couple of powders in the different Mentos fruity flavors. I'm currently using the cherry flavored one. Now it smells like artificial cherry, but I actually really like that. They've also got the mint flavor, the grape flavor, the peach flavor, the lemon flavor, and the melon flavor. Sort of reminds me of when I was a kid in the 90s when some of my favorite candy brands or like toy brands would come out with toy makeup. So that's the same vibe I'm getting with this, and I really like it. Another makeup product I have, these are the Project Vanity Alana Mineral Cosmetics Life Proof Brow Pencils. They sent me all three shades, so there's red brown, light brown, and dark brown. I think that I'm probably more of the dark brown, but I'll probably use the light brown in the front of my brows. I have yet to try these, but they're sweat proof, smudge proof, waterproof, paraben free, cruelty free, and fragrance free as well. I absolutely love Alana Mineral Cosmetics. I think that they're such a great local makeup brand and their products are super high quality without the painful price tag. I genuinely love Alana and Happy Skin. These are what the brow pencils look like. So they've got two ends. On one end, you've got a spoolie, which I think is so important. When it comes to brow pens or brow products, I really appreciate it when the brand thinks of putting a spoolie because it just makes it so much easier to comb through your brows, to blend out the product. And again, you want something that you can chuck into your bag or you can whip out basically anywhere and retouch if you have to. But again, because these are like life proof and they're long lasting, I don't think you'll need to really retouch them. And then on the other end, you've got the brow product, which is so well thought out. I love that it's in this triangle shape. That will just make it so much easier to fill in your brows and recreate those hair-like strokes. First impressions, this already gets a big thumbs up from me. I will try it out for you guys though, so again, follow me on Instagram. I'll probably try it this week and see how I get on with it. I mean, it's been really hot lately and I don't use aircon during the day, so we will get to test out if these really are life-proof and sweat-proof, because let me tell you, your girl sweats a lot. And the last makeup bit I have from you guys is from Tom Ford. If you told me 2 years ago I was going to be sent products from Tom Ford Beauty, I would have told you to shut up. I have been watching YouTube for such a long time, and a lot of my favorite beauty bloggers always get sent stuff from Tom Ford. And I remember when I would watch those videos, I'd be like, wow, what a dream to get sent such high-end makeup from such a well-known luxury brand. And I mean, now I get sent Tom Ford stuff and I will always be grateful. So thank you so much to Restance and to the Tom Ford Beauty team for putting me on your PR list. What a dream come true. Anyway, in case you missed it, over on my Instagram stories, I did share that Tom Ford is now available online on the Restance website. If you're a big fan of Tom Ford Beauty, or if you want to get maybe like a special gift for your mom or your wife or your girlfriend, you can shop Tom Ford Beauty on the Restance website. I'll leave it linked in the description below. And they kindly sent me some of their best sellers. These lipsticks are iconic. They're basically known everywhere as the lipstick of choice, and rightly so, because they are absolutely beautiful. I have 2 of the minis here and 1 of the full-size ones, and I mean, just looking at this lipstick, you can already tell it is so luxurious and so high-end. From the black and gold packaging to the TF engraving, and the lipstick itself is actually quite weighty, so it does feel very luxurious. This would be the perfect gift for your wife, for your mom, for your sister, for your daughter, or for your girlfriend who's maybe celebrating their birthday in lockdown or anniversary in lockdown. A Tom Ford lipstick would be such a wonderful gift to receive. They sent me the shade Night Mauve, reddish mauve shade. It's coming up a little bit more red on camera, but it's actually more on the mauve side. So if you're somebody who maybe doesn't want a super bold red lip, these kinds of shades are perfect. Even if you're working from home, you've got those Zoom meetings, those briefings, those digital things, you might as well slap on some nice lipstick just to make yourself feel a little bit better.
Treat yourself.
And then they also sent me 2 of their baby lipsticks. So this is from like the Tom Ford Boys and Girls collection, which again, they are known for. These lipsticks are so cute. I mean, look at them. They are just the tiniest little beans. Gorgeous packaging, the same packaging as the full-size lipsticks. I've got the shades Warren and the shade Isabel. Warren is this beautiful, deep, dark red. If you want a more dramatic, bold red lip, Warren would be the perfect shade. I also love that they come in these minis, because if you're like me, sometimes it can get a little overwhelming when you've got the full-size lipstick, because you're kind of like,
I am never going to get to finish this lipstick.
The pressure is on. These minis, if you use them every day, you could totally finish them up. Not that I would want to rush finishing this up, because it is Tom Ford Beauty. If you're a fan of minis, or if you like little travel size, where are we going though? Makeup products, these are perfect. This other shade I have here is Isabel, bright red lipstick. If you are more of a bright red lip wearer, then this is the perfect lipstick for you. It is so beautiful. I mean, look, even for a mini, that's actually quite a lot of product. If you're looking for some cute little minis to add to your collection or to gift somebody you love, do check out the Tom Ford Boys and Girls collection. Thank you again to Restance and to Tom Ford Beauty. I will never ever get used to being sent such beautiful products. Next up are a couple of bits from Sample Room. Now, I've spoken about Sample Room so many times on this channel and on my Instagram. They're a company that I super love because they have this belief that you should try something before you buy it. So they're more of like a try before you buy. You can try it before you fully commit to buying like an entire collection of a certain product. So they sent me a couple of their new releases. First up, this little boxy bag right here, which has my name on it. Such a classy touch. These are the new Bello Underarm Whitening Creams. I haven't tried these out yet, but I know that a bunch of people are quite conscious of their underarms underarms, I mean, I never really noticed underarms until I started dating Nico. And I don't know if it's a guy thing or I don't know, it's just so weird to talk about underarms. But now I kind of get why there are so many different kinds of underarm products in the market. So these are Bello's underarm whitening creams that are clinically formulated, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist tested. So basically, they're a gentle underarm whitening cream that targets darkening with alpha arbutin and hydroxyphenoxy propionic acid. I'm not a dermatologist, so I have no idea what that means, but it prevents redness caused by habitual plucking and shaving. Especially now, I know the waxing salons aren't exactly open and a bunch of us might be shaving or plucking our underarm hairs. I guess these creams will really come in handy. I've actually had my underarms lasered, so I don't really have a problem with hair growth or darkening, but in case you wanted an underarm whitening product, might as well check that one out. Also from Sample Room, I was so excited, by the way, when I received this Echo bag, because I was like,
yes,
another bag that I can bring with me to the grocery. These I'm super excited to try because I didn't know that these were even being sold, but apparently they are, and the clean freak in me is just so incredibly happy. These are the new Safeguard Gentle Micellar Face and Body Cleansers. I know! I love Safeguard. We use the Safeguard body soap here at home. We love it. I love the white one, the pink one, and my mom is obsessed with the Arctic Fresh cooling one, which we can't seem to find in the grocery anymore. Safeguard, what's up with that? Come back with your Arctic Fresh one. My mom's been looking for it. I've got the scents berries and pear, coconut and peach, and the unscented ones. So if your skin is a lot more sensitive to fragrances or to scented products, then go for the unscented. I think that these are so cool because it says here it's non-drying micellar technology. It gently lifts up to 99.9% of germs and dirt and oil. Talk about a multi-purpose product. I mean, it says here it's for the face and for the body, so I guess it's gentle enough. I will give these a try for you guys and let you know. I'm probably gonna go for the unscented one for my face though, just because my skin is very sensitive. I think that these are so cool. 0% parabens. It's as gentle as fresh water. And it's also dermatologist tested. I really love how Safeguard is upping their game, man. I mean, especially during this time where we need to stay clean and our bodies need to be clean like all the time. I love these. I'm probably gonna try the unscented one tonight on my face, but on my body, I'll go for some coconut and peach because I love coconut scented anything. I love coconut in general. And the last thing I have is more of like a, I don't want to say bougie, but it's more of like an extra stylish fashion product, you could say. Basically, for the past couple of weeks, Instagram has been filled with pictures of celebrities and influencers sporting those eye visors that are like holographic or gold or black or whatever. And at first I thought they were kind of weird. Like I was like, I mean, a face shield works just as good. Why are you gonna wear that? And then Nico and I were talking about it and we were like, yeah, you know what? I mean, if this is our new normal and if we are just trying to cheer ourselves up and live basically day by day in this weird situation, then I guess that's just really what it's all about. Anyway, I don't know if I'm making sense. A lovely shop called Normally Lifestyle, Normally, not too sure how to pronounce it. I think it's Normally, maybe it's Normally. Again, I'm not too sure. This brand messaged me on Instagram and asked me if they could send me a couple of their eye visors, and I was like, heck yeah. Nico and I were just talking about getting a pair of these, and then they asked me if they could send me some. So they kindly sent me 2 styles. They have 3 styles. Clear one, the hologram one, and then the black. So I was sent the clear and the holographic colorful one. So first up is the clear visor, and it's just so gorgeous. Looking at it now, I'm like, why didn't I get these sooner? And it's got the white band with the Normally logo. These are actually super comfortable. I've been wearing the other pair a lot, which I'll show you guys in a bit. As much as I love face shields, sometimes it can feel a little suffocating because you are wearing a mask. So these ones are designed to just sit on your nose. So you're wearing your mask and then you wear this on top so your eyes are protected, which again, I think are so great and super cool. I'm actually going to be giving these to Trina because she goes back to the office next week, and I really just want her to stay protected, especially because she's going to be working and talking, and I don't want her to have to wear a face shield the whole time, or worse, I don't want her to have to remove the face shield, then her eyes are going to be exposed. So yeah, I'm giving her these clear ones, and then these ones are what I ended up getting, and when I posted them, Nico got so jealous that he wanted a pair, so I bought bought him a pair. I think you guys are more familiar with this one. You've seen it all over Instagram. So it's like in this rainbow hologram effect. Got the black band again with their logo in the front. I call this my RoboCop visor because it just makes me look way cooler than I actually am. And I've been wearing these a lot. So I'll wear my nano mask and then I'll put these on top. And they're super easy to see, and like I thought that because it would be tinted, it would be really hard to see, especially indoors. But it's actually not. You can see clearly. I mean, there is a tint, but I can still see everything in my room, and when I go to the office and stuff, I can still see everything. And even when I'm driving, I wear these because they're sort of like sunglasses in a way. I really like these ones, and like I said, these were sent to me, but I ended up placing an order on the same day to get Nico a pair. So he also has a visor like this, and we wore it together yesterday, and it was just so cute. I'm in this visor game now. This is a really great shop. I know the one that a lot of celebrities are sporting are quite pricey. This one, for the quality, is actually really good. It's very lightweight, so it's super comfortable on the nose, but it doesn't feel flimsy. It's weighty enough that you can feel the quality, but it's not heavy for your nose or like for your face, which again, I love because we want to stay protected, but we also want to be comfortable at the same time. Who would have thought it would come to this? What I also like about these eye visors is the fact that they come in these super nice boxes, and each visor has its own protective pouch and its own cleaning cloth, so you don't have to worry about wiping any dust or whatever, or your visor getting scratched, which I just think is super great. And we should really be supporting more small businesses, guys, especially the ones on Instagram. So I'll also link these for you in the description below. And there you guys have it, my mini PR/unboxing haul/mini review video. I honestly don't know what I'm going to be calling this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment down below if you're curious to try any of the things that I showed you in this video, or if you've already tried it. If you have, how did you find it? Leave your mini review in the comments, and I'll see you guys again soon for another video. Bye!